Guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a special guest, the SoundPeats A6 with ANC technology. These new pair of headphones, they're got are really cheap, and we're gonna fully review it. Okay, so welcome to the channel. This is MagnusD'Terror. Alright, let's kick things off with the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is compact and creatively designed. Now, let's see what's inside. Here's a little punch containing the headphones, accompanied by the user manuals, a warranty card, and a convenient Type-C charging cable. And guess what? The SoundPeats A6 boasts an impressive 4-hour battery life for your extended listening pleasure. Plus, they've even thrown in a 3.5mm aux cable for those who want to use them with devices that have an old headphone jack. Moving on to wireless connectivity, these headphones come equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring seamless connection. Not only are they affordable, but they also feature an active noise cancellation ANC, letting you enjoy your music even in the midst of a bustling gym or noisy surroundings. That's pretty good, isn't it? Now let's talk about loudness. Yeah, these babies can really crack it up, earning them a solid 9 on my loudness scale. Even when the air conditioning humming away, those Bluetooth headphones maintain their audio pros. Comfort is key, and these headphones excel in the department. The headband sits perfectly, with no discomfort even during extended wear. The earpads are cozy, and overall, the fit is impressive. The only minor concern is that in hot climates, prolonged use in high temperatures, you may find them a tad uncomfortable on your ears. The controls are conveniently located on the right side of the headphones. You've got volume adjustments buttons, great tactile on and off switch button, and the ANC toggle. On initial use, simply press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. You'll be greeted by the reassuring sound of headphones on and pairing. To activate the ANC, a quick press on the ANC button does the trick, with a prompt confirming ANC on. Let's delve into noise cancelling. From my experience, the ANC performance is top-notch. I put these through the paces at the gym, and they effortlessly drown out background noise, giving you an immersive music experience, giving you a great time when you're actually use them. It's pretty good, to be honest. Charging these headphones is a breeze, thanks to the included Type-C USB cable. And guess what? I've also tested their wired capabilities using the 3.5mm jack, and they didn't disappoint. The only trade-off is that while plugged in, you can control the volume using the buttons on the headphones, but that's okay. Alright folks, now on to the heart of the matter, sound quality. Having previously owned Sennheiser HD headphones and studio headphones, I can confidently say that these SoundPeats A6 have truly wowed me with their audio performance, audio quality. The mids are rich, the bass can get pleasantly punchy, and the vocals absolutely incredible. A solid choice for audiophiles on a budget. Wrapping things up, I have to hand it to SoundPeats. They truly hit the mark with the A6 model. From performance to design and battery life, they've delivered the guts. And the best part, you can snag a pair at a more wallet-friendly price on AliExpress compared to other platforms. So, if you are in the market for affordable wireless headphones that boast impressive sound quality and ANC tech, the SoundPeats A6 is a no-brainer. I'll provide some helpful links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. This is MagnusD'Terror. Sing it enough. Until next time, folks.